Good evening, everyone. I'm Divya Susan Matthew. 7 days ago, if you had asked me to give a speech, I would have learned the speech thoroughly, but I wouldn't have performed it well. Now, here I am, talking to all of you with such confidence and smoothness that I was only able to achieve with Professor's lessons. Professor C.F. Joseph taught us to be confident with whatever we do. We are now able to learn well, speak well, use time well. Basically, he helped us to discover the person within us. Now, I think we, as the future leaders of the world, are ready to face the challenges and succeed in life. I'd like to thank Kareem Verghese sir and all the other volunteers for putting up the enthusiasm in bringing this together. But most of all, I'd like to thank Professor C.F. Joseph. I'd like to thank Professor C.F. Joseph for his guidance throughout this week that has helped me to realize that you and I are born to excel. Thank you.